These strawberry collagen bonbons are one of my favorite make-ahead treats. They're naturally sweet, freezer-friendly, and a really easy way to sneak in a little bit of extra protein. Hi friends, I'm Ginny Mahar and welcome into my kitchen. I'm so excited to finally be able to share a little peek inside the Thyroid30 Cookbook with you. Most of the book is filled with thyroid-friendly recipes, over 100 of them that you can mix, match, and come back to again and again. You'll also find tips and simple strategies throughout the book to help you understand how to build meals, snacks, desserts, and even drinks that not only taste good, but feel good. These chocolate-covered strawberry collagen bonbons. I love this recipe because it can help us redefine how we think about dessert. Dessert doesn't have to be this naughty, inflammatory thing that's bad for us. We can have treats that we love that love us back, and these are a perfect example of that. They're packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. They're made with whole food ingredients and without gobs of added sugar. We'll use just enough natural sweetness to make sure that they taste like a bonbon without overpowering the delicious natural flavor pairing of strawberries and chocolate. I love using freeze-dried strawberries here because they give you a lot of pure and concentrated strawberry flavor and tartness without extra sugar. And the vitamin C from the strawberries actually helps our bodies synthesize collagen, which in turn supports things like joints, skin, and gut health. These are dairy-free and made with real ingredients, but they still feel like something special. We start this recipe with freeze-dried strawberries, and we'll grind those up in a food processor to a fine powder. And then to blend those together, we'll add coconut butter, some superfine almond flour, pure maple syrup, and some collagen powder for a little dash of protein. For added flavor, we're going to also be adding just a little bit of lemon zest, lemon juice, ginger, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and a pinch of sea salt. So when we blend those up, you'll be looking for a texture that feels a little bit like cookie dough, something that you can easily roll or press into a mold. I'm just going to roll these by hand into little balls, and once they're shaped, I'll put these in the fridge so they can chill and then they can firm up before we dip them in chocolate. A thin layer of dark chocolate is all you need here. It just adds that classic chocolate-covered strawberry feel without overpowering the filling. And that's all there is to it. Our work is pretty much done. We'll just pop these into the fridge so they can set up really quickly, and these store beautifully. You can keep them in the fridge for the week or pop them in the freezer for longer. Desserts like this are meant to feel enjoyable and easy, something you can make ahead and actually look forward to. Thank you so much for being here with me today and celebrating the Thyroid30 Cookbook. As always, I am cheering you on. I'm wishing you happy cooking, happy thriving, and the best of health. See you next time.